In today's video, we will see how to fix the Samsung TV Plus not working or disappeared. Channel Restore Guide. The fix 1: restart your Samsung TV. Turn off your Samsung TV, unplug the power cord from the wall outlet, wait 60 seconds and plug the TV back in and turn it on. Now check whether Samsung TV Plus has returned. Fix 2: check your internet connection. So press home on your remote, go to settings or general network, the network status, and verify that the TV is connected to the Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Now if disconnected, reconnect your TV and restart your router if necessary. Fix 3: update your TV software. Open settings, select support, then choose software update. Now select update now. Install any available update and restart the TV. Fix 4: reset Smart Hub. So resetting Smart Hub restore default Samsung apps and services and open setting. Then go to support or self-diagnosis, then or device care or self-diagnosis or newer model and select reset Smart Hub. Then enter your TV pin default as 0000 if unchanged. Then wait for the reset to complete and sign back into your Samsung account. Fix 5: restore missing Samsung TV Plus channel. So launch the Samsung TV Plus, open the channel list or guide, select edit channel and look for a restore channel or add channel option. Now re-enable any channel that were accidentally removed. Fix 6: sign out and back into your Samsung account. First open the setting, then go to Samsung account. Now sign out of your account and restart the TV. Then sign back in and check Samsung TV Plus again. Fix 8: perform a factory reset. So if Samsung TV Plus is still missing, open setting, go to journal and reset, then enter your pin and confirm the factory reset. Now complete the TV step-by-step process and reconnect to the internet. Then Samsung TV Plus should be reinstalled automatically on your supported model. The fix 9: contact Samsung support. If Samsung TV Plus still does not appear after completing all troubleshooting fixes, the service may be temporarily unavailable in your region or there may be an account related issue. So simple contact Samsung support for model specific assistant and service availability check. Goodbye.